It turns out a childhood friend we all shared, sadly, has kept some information from us. While for years we simply grew to accept his devious behavior, it turns out his reasoning was a real problem. You see, Donald Duck doesn't wear pants because he can't control his bladder, and his wings prevent him from changing his own diaper. But I, as a real friend, am going to do it for him. I hope, as his friend, you may too. So today I'm going to show you how to put on a diaper. While we all may need to change Donald at some point, you may have children of your own, or you may have friends who have children, and you want to help them out. So knowing how to do this is going to be particularly important. As a parent, I've changed many diapers, and I've done plenty of research on the subject, so I feel confident in teaching you an effective process for changing poor Donald's diaper. The process for putting on a diaper includes clean preparation to put on the diaper, the application itself, and proper cleanup. To begin, we must first make sure we're ready to put on a diaper. Now we can't just begin. First, we need to gather all the supplies and develop a clean space. According to a 2007 BabyCenter.com article, first you should make certain to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, which I've done ahead of time. You also should have a table with a blanket or a changing pad, which I don't have available here, but you could put any changing pad or blanket on here. And you want to make certain to have plenty of fresh materials for changing the diaper, including wipes, ointment, and baby powder, and of course, a clean diaper as well. With all necessary supplies on hand, it's time to begin. Dr. Noah Sutter, a pediatrician from Mommy Pediatrics, said that most babies need 5 to 6 diapers a day, so you want to make certain to have plenty on hand. Now that we have everything, we're ready and clean, we can begin the process of changing the diaper. First, you want to make certain to remove the old diaper. To do that, you'll want to pull the straps that exist, left and right, or right and left, depending on how they are, if you have a disposable diaper, which is what this process is. Then, you want to lift it back slowly from the front, in case there might be any incoming leakage, and lift the legs up gently, right? Otherwise, you may have a mess slipping out the sides. Remove the old diaper, and having your wipes on hand, clean up your baby effectively, or in this case, our friend Donald, wiping carefully from front to back. Once you're done and baby is nice and clean, it's time to put on the new diaper, and you simply repeat the process in the inverse order. Have the clean diaper ready, lift the legs up, slide it onto the back, gently lower, and lift up the front. I put that on backwards. After that, pull the straps left and right, and voila, give baby a kiss, and you're done changing the diaper. Now all you have to do is make certain to clean up. If you needed to put on any, say, diaper cream from a butt rash that may exist, or baby powder, make certain to close those things, and of course, seal up your baby wipes because they can dry out pretty quickly as well. Now that everything's done and clean and baby is happy and ready to go, we should be ready, as should Donald. And he shall be ready, and he'll be okay in the future. We now know how to keep our work area clean, we know how to change the diaper, and we know how to clean up in the process. And finally, Donald can walk with confidence with his friends. And your children or your children's friends can be confident that you too can change a diaper properly. But one major problem remains. Where's Winnie the Pooh? Because he's got this problem too.